Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, doing this type of content, right, covering certain topics, right, you come across pictures, come across videos, but some of them, right, are so extreme they not even look like a real life. Some of them look like a scene from out a Duppy show, and that's no exaggeration. Today I'm going to be talking about the double murder that took place in Bull Bay, and one of the men them will lose them life. Theme crime scene. It not even look real to me. I just scrutinize the video because nowadays you have TikTok and all kind of filter, and you can make things look like. At first I said this can't be nothing real. That can't be a person. I can't 87s can't do the man head like that. Well, it turns out say it real. We're gonna talk about it. Right now, Bull Bay, as you know, spooky long time, but things like get even spookier now. But before we go any further, from time to time we have special birthday shout out, right, for the Patreon members them. Today, I want to send a shout out to Paul aka Wayne, a long time supporter of the channel, of the movement. I know you're tuning in as usual, cause you're a regular, you're not missing a video. And you probably wonder to yourself, I wonder if Sir P forget. I wonder if you get the message. You get the message loud and clear. Right. So, the usual. Hope you have a great day. Right. Enjoy your day, enjoy yourself. Right. Every single birthday is a blessing. Every single extra day upon this earth is a blessing, because you see how times are run. When you see say the man them take life at Jamaica for nothing. Right. So we have to give thanks. Right. So big up yourself. Right. We can move into the video. Bull Bay. Spooky place. Ever hear it called Judgment Hill? Even the name spooky. 2 men lose them life. One, Andre Wright, some people call him Country, and a 60-year-old man by the name of Joseph Peter King. Basically, they foolish to go on the place, it got already. Whenever you try to trace back the origins of these conflicts, people tell you, well, say, at one time, some gun go missing, and then them see man with gun, and then they say, and then one time, a man, this one, man, it's never nothing complex. Right. It's always some petty foolishness. So when time you listen to it, I think to yourself, well, that I lead to all this. Well, yes. But anyway, recently, a man by the name of Indo lose Fame life. Right. Now, Fame bridging them now, I said, them I go back and carry out retaliation. Andre Wright, our Country, as some people call him. Him not really was one of the man them involved in the Indo killing, but him par amongst the man them will do it, as in him go link up with them and go smoke. It got ready, can't catch Quaco, you catch him shot. In this case, not even him real shot, right? I just somebody where they near the shot. Because really, Andre Wright, right, not related to none of the man them, right, what them really want, because none of the man them will lose them life, so, and none of the man them what them really want. Right? But, it got ready. He was the one, right, in the video. I don't know if you've seen the video. It's probably floating around on one of the popular page them, I post them thing there. But I received the actual raw file, so I post it on Patreon. Right. Decide if you want to go see it. Very, very graphic. Right. It reminds me of the video of the youth them from Maxfield, when the man them use the 16 and leak out the 2 youth them head. And me say, it look like when time egg drop on the ground. I saw the youth head look. From the front, there is this giant hole about the size of a golf ball or something like that. But when you look to the side, nothing around there. Everything went in at the youth head, they on the ground behind him. Him sitting at the chair with him phone in him and saying me, like him didn't even realize what happened till it's too late. A living, real life Duppy show. You see, I have to wonder if the people them who, the first responders to these things, whether it be the police or even the man them who pick up, right, the remains. I have to wonder if they meet. Because seeing them things in a real life probably gonna put off people from eating meat. Right? Trust me, it's serious. Even on the video, the graphics, so imagine in a real life. The man them use a rifle. I can tell a point blank range. So the man them take the street of Jamaica to a Duppy show. ordinary civilians that see them things are. Things enough people in the world. Right. Have to pay if you go in one theatre. If they want to see them things that them have to pay if you go in one theatre for watch and show for seat. Jamaicans just see it casually. Depending upon which part them there at a particular time. And them never stop this so. They end up go look for your next youth. Right? And they can't catch him now, so they end up catch him further. Right? Now there are reports that Mr. Peter King, in an effort to save him life, use a last and take off one of the finger at 87 them. That means a DNA left. That's a hard evidence right there so. Right? Because very likely he might try to get some kind of treatment for that finger there. And that should make it easier for somebody point him out. Get it? Right. Finger missing, somebody point him out. Anyway, the old man fought valiantly. The 87 lucky saw him finger it catch and never in neck because the man do them nothing. This is a 60-year-old man. He not do them nothing but him son. Them claim say him son and power with the man them well, do them bridging things. So then go for the son. Couldn't catch the son, so then go for the father. This is actual, can't catch Kwaku, catch him short. As a matter of fact, if you look down the line, you see say the whole operation was built around, then can't catch who they want, so the next best thing would have to do. Complete madness. And notice, they had enough time, first take out the youth on the chair, then go for the bigger man, right, and still take him out too. That's because Bull Bay, Judgment Hill, all of them area there. Right. Police can just quickly respond there so. Right. Right. It'll take a little while and the 87s them are well aware of that. Them have time on them side. Them can casually move from one location onto the next. Even shot fire and people call the police, then can just appear right away. That terrain is around, right, that part of Bull Bay is notoriously difficult for the police them. And not even time them reach, them they know how to chop through or so, cut through or so, them they know the place that 87s them. The terrain gives them an advantage. Any community in Jamaica where you see have a rural setup plus the 87s, be a problem that. The man them is not like half a tree or a crossroad where say, alright, them have to go run down the lane, and if you know how the lane is set up, you can say, alright, you go here, and you go here, so. Because they must go through one of them places. And a straight work, a place like Bull Bay. On a straight work, a place like Judgment Hill and them place there. Very difficult. Notice, think of how often the years the police catch one of them place there. As in police chase and catch. It almost never happen. Most time when they see police go there so and get nobody, they normally act on intelligence, and it still require a whole heap of luck, because once the police them start set towards the community, them spies all over the place call them and the man then gone. And the terrain is so spooky that sometimes 87s even want the police them to come. Right? Them sit down and wait till they can ambush them and then take with themselves and laugh about it. Right? Because there's only so much you can see as you go up at them place there. By the time you realize that you have up with 87s, it's too late. Them let have a barrage of rounds, right, and then run gamble in business. Now, fortunately, most of these ambushes result in nobody losing life because 87 are for them shooting already. But you don't want to rely upon chance. You never want to be in a position where you're hoping that the 87 are going to miss. Right? But as so it's set up, the ambush is so easy for them. So when you see things like this happening at Bull Bay, or any area for that matter, you know this won't be the end of it. Because the son still alive, the father gone, right? That means that the man them who them really want, who are actually 87s, when them see this, them not going to say, oh well, them man them in business, so I could just leave it alone. Them are going to say, alright, since you do this, since you mash up, right, like the head so, since you come take out the youth father, what you going to do? And I'm going to try and make an example to the next side. The same way this incident look grimy and ugly, them are going to try the exact same thing, right, to the man them carry this out. And you know so it not go done. And them probably won't catch the exact man them want. So them are go turn upon them family, them friends, or just the man them will sit down and burn herbs with them. Welcome to Jamrock. Now, before the video end, I want to touch on something briefly. In the video you said about the dopey truck, where I mentioned that, the foreign police them can just track the car them easily, run them file and get everything. People message me and say, but Jabby, one time police they pull me over and look, me see them check me information on my phone. That's not the same thing. Right. They look so some of the police them at Jamaica even have BlackBerry phone. Yes, you might see a police officer pull out a BlackBerry phone in 2021. And them send off one message and then get back one message and then the fella. That's not the same thing. The system I talk about to Uncle Sam and police now Europe and them places have, right? Them can just run the plates and them can know if there's an APB on the car, they can know if the car is recently stolen, right? Them can know if the car is insured, them can know if the car is taxed, right? JCF usually have to pull you over, question you, right? In the meantime, them have the phone and send off. That's not the same thing. This is an example of the type of system you talk about, the one I see on your screen right now. This is a complete different animal. Whether the police car drive, whether they now move, right, it still operate the same way. Right, as a matter of fact, here's some details about it on your screen. This system catch the car even if they drive in the opposite direction. Right. As you can see, the technology scan the license plate, right, to see if it's stolen. The officer will immediately get an alert, meaning that the police them, right, not even have to search for the plate. Them not have to pick it up themselves, them not have to manually type it in. The system pick up the plate on the car because it constantly scan the road, right. Then it alert the policeman and make the policeman know, say, hold on, something wrong here, so. Right. Then the officer can double check the system manually by typing in the license plate, and then he might go pick up and find out, alright, this car is stolen, this car is on the wrong plate. This is a complete different animal to anything you ever see JSTF use. Right. This is the machine, the system itself, do its own thing, then it alert the police officer, then the police officer, the field manual checking. Right. So, another the same thing. People that say, well, sir, be missing that Jamaica, no, it's not the same thing. Right. We need to invest. Especially in our country where so much car, right? I get thief and I go on robbery. Because this will cut out most of the foolishness. Because imagine a policeman driving down, say, Maxfield, and then all of a sudden him get one alert. Beep, beep, beep. Right. Next thing him look, him type it in, oh, car gets stolen from this, so him can circle back and stop the car. That car would probably be either on its way to an operation, right, or it will be leaving an operation, because 87 Steve car, anytime it's 87 Steve car and drive it, or something I'm going to do with it. If them a thief, if you sell it back, they're not interested in driving it. So this will be a game changer for JCF and the whole dopey truck concept. The new police vehicle might come with the screen where you can type in this and type in that, but you don't want, right, to be reliant on police to type it. How often do you think a policeman will type in every single license plate them drive behind? The beauty of the system is that the system do the work first, of the issue, then they make the police do the search. As it stands, right, too much time is being wasted pulling over people when they do nothing wrong, right, because they are shooting at the dark. Right. You want only pick up people where something flagged. For example, you know the car them in Europe can pick up, the insurance and have this and have that. Right. Then when they can pick up, say, oh, car stolen, right, APB and all them things. That right just means that the people who get pulled over are the people who need to get pulled over. Too often police waste time, pull over man, check papers, or they depend on phone, or try to get details of car, and it's a complete random innocent person trying to go about them business. Right? We need to be more efficient and pull over the car them we need to get pulled over. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.